Thuutha wa gukinyirwo ni uhoro ati kuri na cukuru uratwarithia na mbere mathomo ma tuition, Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang ndanaria marigu na imwe kwa imwe ekinya mwena wa makandara cukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Happyland. No murutani munene cukuru-ini uyu akana uhoro uyu akiuga gutiri na ciana ciuma cukuru-ini uyu.
Break, you know that is illegal, that is confinement of children. In fact, that is the other thing.
Yes, that's right.
Look, take us.
This school is not US employee. Let's go.
Hau na hau, Kipsang atwitwa ria guthiururuka cukuru uyu niguo guteterithia nima gutiri na ciana. No riria gukinyireirwo ngorofa ya gatatu nyumba-ini ya toro,
But the children can open.
ciana 98 ciakorwo ihingiritwo guku. Kuhithukio guku kuma gikeno kinene kuri ciana ici iria ikuhanaga tandu mahingiritwo kuma njera. Nigukorwo ni mugaru na watho gutwarithia mathomo ma tuition riria cukuru ihingitwo, Kipsang ndanamairiria gutacukiria cukuru uyu ikinya.
There are consequences of doing some of these things. There are consequences of breaking the law, because this is breaking the law. The Basic Education Act is very clear that tuition is outlawed.
Hamwe na uu murutani munene niaikitio ngono kuria agukorwo agithitangirwo mahitia maria ni hamwe na kuhingiriria ciana mugaru na wendi wao.
We ended up finding these children confined in a 4th floor in the dormitory, which in itself is totally unacceptable, because confining children in a room, locking them in, you can imagine what would have happened if a disaster was to happen and fire broke out.
Arutwo aya aria mauma airitu 71 na imwana 28 ni maheirwo rutha mainuke, na waria marakomaga na aciari ao matingihotire kumagira metherwo giikaro kia ihinda. Ministry ya githomo ikoretwo ikiruta mukana muhio kuri macukuru maria maratwarithia mathomo ma tuition, na macukuru mamwe makaga gwikirira mukana uyu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, retwo riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwandiki.